Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today I have the latest Strike Your Own from the Royal Mint. This was very kindly got for me by another coin tuber by the name of Bo Selector. He's a fabulous guy. He helps a lot of other coin tubers out who aren't able to go to the mint by getting these coins for them. Bo is a great gentleman. As long as his costs are covered, he doesn't care. He will help you out if he can. Lovely bloke. So, more importantly, now that I've thanked him, to the important thing, which is the coin. On the back we have the coin specifications for the 50p. We also have Jodie Clark's portrait of the Queen. If I can just bring you down a little bit, you may be able to see that a little clearer. There we go. There's Jodie Clark's portrait of the Queen. On the front, it's the thing that we've seen many times before. The packaging at the bottom has the Jubilee logo, the Diamond Jubilee logo, and the actual coin itself, the 50p, it has, let me open that up fully for you. It's got the 70 in the 70 stands out. It's in a buffed condition, is it? Not sure how you would describe that. It's a silver position. You've got that. It stands out well against the highly polished background. And you've got the inside the 0 of the 70 is the crown, E2R, which is the Queen's monogram, and also the dates of 1952 to 2022. It does beg the question, and it's one that I've asked before. Does anybody know, are we likely to be doing a 70th platinum anniversary of Her Majesty the Queen's enthronement in 2023? Because she actually was enthroned, her coronation was actually June 1953. So I'm wondering, will we get another platinum anniversary next year? We might, who knows. The powder blue, Wedgwood blue background, it's the best way of describing the thing, is Wedgwood blue, is it has white writing on, which when you're looking at it in normal conditions, it stands out quite well, but under camera and lights it's not quite as clear. But I'll give you a chance to pause it so you can read the text yourselves. The flap part of the presentation pack says the Platinum Jubilee of Her Majesty the Queen. It's as if you didn't know. And then the fold over goes over and you've got the Royal Mint, and I shot this 50p coin, which of course I didn't, but we won't tell anyone, will we? So this is another one to my collection. I have my collecting book here, and I'm going to have to bring you right the way out for this one. It's an A4 folder, and as I've been getting coins, oops, and this is, I find these A4 pocket units ideal for storing the Strike Your Owns. They fit the packaging well, and I'll just take you quickly through the 50p coins, my Strike Your Own set. These, whoops, these first 4 coins The first one was the Last Round Pound. That was the first Strike Your Own. The second one was the 12-sided £1. The third one was the 2017 Isaac Newton. The fourth one was the 2018 Isaac Newton. I don't have any of those yet, and I haven't got any yet on order. The fifth one was the 2018 Britannia. You then had Harry and Meghan's Wedding. Now that one itself is extremely expensive. I think it's around about 250, something like that, ridiculous like that. I then got the Frankenstein, which of course is Christopher's favourite coin. The 2018 Nutcracker. The ninth one in the series was the 50p. It's the one without the... It's a Britannia 50p, and I think that one was 2018. So I think it's part of the 50 years of the 50p. There's the 2019 Britannia. There's a Conan Doyle Sherlock Holmes. There's the Britannia with the mint mark, and that's the one with the privy mark. I don't have that one yet either. Then we have the first of my coins that I do have, which is the 50p Wallace and Gromit. I'm missing the Snowman from 2019, and 2020 Britannia I'm missing. I do have the Strike on the Day Brexit. They are far more available, believe it or not, than the standard Brexit that was issued between the 1st of the 2nd and the 12th of the 2nd, which was the number 17. Number 18 and 19 just before the lockdown was the Megalosaurus and the Iguanodon. The Iguanodon was done again just after the lockdown for a short period, and then we went into the D-Day, the decimal day, 50p, which was another one. We then come on to the more modern ones that I've been more active in collecting. We have the 2022 Britannia, or is that the 2021 Britannia? So look. Yes, that's the 2021 £2 Britannia. Oh, come on, get into the flap. There we go. The 2021 Britannia, which is up in that top corner there. Oops, let me just move that down just a little bit, because we then got the 2021 Snowman, and of course the latest release at the moment is the Platinum Jubilee one, which is the one I've just reviewed. You will see that I have an extra piece of paper out, actually marked February 2022. There is a strike on the day of the actual Platinum anniversary to do with the Platinum coin. Now I don't know whether it's going to be the 50p or it's going to be the £5, or is it going to be both? I don't know, but it's a strike on the day, ready for them. And the rest of these slots that I have cards in are just waiting for the next Strike Your Owns to come up. Oops. So the fielding card goes in the fielding card one, and I have some blank cards here ready to be put into new album sheets as they come along. I will reuse those, and I'll use the second side to save the planet and all the rest of it. But that's my collection of Strike Your Owns. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I would love to have you along for the rest of my journey through coins and banknotes. And of course, the more subs and the more likes I get, the higher the calculations are for YouTube to put me in front of new people who, in their suggestions box. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying stuff wherever you're buying it from, I hope you can get what you want for the price that you want to pay. And finally, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, bye bye now. Ta-da.